guys and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to perform slip edits in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my two clips right in here, and it's important to say that I already edited this one, so I just cut out a little bit of this clip, but this is the raw clip. Okay, what you want to do is go over to the trim edit mode, and then if you hold it here, and then you can just slide it around. On top, you can see 4 different pictures. On the upper left corner, you can see the starting point from the video that I just switched around. And on the right upper corner, you can see the end of the clip. On the bottom lines, on the left, you can see the end point of the first clip. Of course, it doesn't move. And on the right, you can see a black window because we don't have any clip right here. If you have a clip right there, then it would show the starting point of this clip. Okay, then what you also can do is go down to this, to the blue line, and then you can just hover over it, press your button down, and then you can just move it. And as you can see on top, now the upper row doesn't move, but on the bottom, as you can see, the end of the first clip changes. Okay, that was a little hack on how to perform slip edits in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.